Hi guys, welcome to Scratch for Kids. This is lesson 7 part 1. In lesson 6 we made a drawing game. In lesson 7 we will make another game. So let's start. First we will delete this sprite because we don't need it. Then we will choose a pedal and a tennis ball. We will go to sports. We will choose this tennis ball and the pedal. First we'll program the pedal. When I clicked, go to X and Y, go to X0 and Y minus 120. We will put the forever block. Forever, set X to mouse X. So now when I click the green flag, if I move my mouse to right, the pedal goes to right. If I move my mouse to left, the pedal goes to left. So next we'll program the tennis ball. When I clicked, go to X and Y, go to X0 and Y 160. Point in direction. We'll put the pick a random to pick a random 135 to 225. We will put the forever block. Forever. Move 12 steps. If edge bounds, we will put the if block. If touching pedal, point in direction, we will put the pick a random to pick a random minus 30 to 30. We will put the if block again. If touching color, stop all. We will go to the background. We will click this one. We will make a rectangle on the bottom. If touching color, red, stop all. So now when I click the green flag, if I touch the ball bounces and it goes up. If I missed it and it touched the red color, everything stops. So guys, that was it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you for the part 2.